Today I'm going to make roasted chicken Egyptian style. Egyptians, they love to eat chicken, and there is so many ways they cook chicken, and today I'm gonna make one of their ways of making roasted chicken. So first I'm gonna add, I put olive oil, and I'm gonna add to that onions, green peppers, celery, carrots, and 2 cloves of garlic. Whenever I make a video, you hear my dogs playing in the background. So I'm gonna add some salt to this. So those are done. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. The chicken, you have to wash it properly, brain it with salt, a little bit of sugar and vinegar or lemon. It has to be brained, and then it has to be dried from the water, and we're gonna just put it a little bit here. Until I don't want it to be brown, I just want it to like be sealed so the juice stays inside. I'm gonna add 3 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, and cardamom. And cardamom you have to like hit it with something to open so that it releases its flavor. Ooh, the smell is awesome already. I'm adding to that a mixture of peppers, a little bit more cinnamon powder, like a half teaspoon. Half teaspoon turmeric. Half teaspoon ginger powder. Some paprika, half teaspoon as well. And your coriander seed. Of course, black pepper, 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add hot water. I'm adding more because I want the water to cover almost the chicken. And to this I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of tomato paste. Now I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for like on a low to medium heat for like 45 minutes. Chicken is done. I put it here for all the juices to drain, because next step we need the chicken to be dry from all the juices around it. And this, you can use it as a soup, you can cook rice with it, you can do a lot of stuff with it. I'm going to make some rice to go with the chicken. I soak the rice in water for like 10 minutes and then I wash it properly until the water is like clean. Then I put water, rice. I'm gonna add salt, a little bit of oil, and bay leaf. Once the rice starts to boil, you check the rice. I'll show you. Now I'm gonna check the rice. How you know the rice is done? You pick and with your nail you cut it. If it's cut easily, then it's done. Now I'm gonna drain the water and I'll show you how I'll finish it. Now you're gonna turn the heat all the way very, very low. This cloth, I have it specially for rice. You cover the lid and you close because we want the rice to be finished cooking on the steam. And now we're gonna finish the rice. There's some oil here, vegetable oil, and just waiting on it. I want the oil hot, so I'm just gonna put it on high, like that, quickly here. Still. Now the oil is hot, I'm gonna add fennel seeds, cinnamon seeds, cashew nuts. I'm just gonna cook it a little bit until the cashew nuts cooked. I don't want a raw cashew nut in my rice. The color of the cashew nut started to change. Look, like golden now. And that's the color I want. Beautiful. I'm going to turn the heat to low and add chickpeas. I added chickpeas and some of the broth from the chicken. Now we're going to add some seasoning. Tablespoon of mint. Half teaspoon cumin. Half teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon biryani spices. Mix. It's really awesome. And some noodles. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Just because. Now I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add more of this juice here. There we go. I'm going to add some tomato paste. Tomato paste. I need to try, see the salt. Now, I'm going to start adding rice to it. Here's my rice baby. Here's the rice. I'm going to turn the heat off because everything is there you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Rice is done. Cover it. Then I'm going to put some oil. Yes, now we're going to hear that sizzle we want to hear. I'm going to clean this. Let's see. I don't want to break it. I want it to stay whole. So.
ready.